Okay. Now, so let's say I have a pair of shoes or something, right? Which says that on it says wool, and the other one it says synthetic. Okay.
So two different pairs of shoes.
No. Same pair of shoes. Same pair of shoes.
Okay. All right.
On one side, right? On some other side, not the main side of the shoe itself, it says wool. And on the other side, it says synthetic wool. On the site where the shoe, is manufactured, the company of the shoe. So, do I trust the company of the shoe, or do I say we don't go lenient?
I mean, since it's a biblical. Probably biblical issue. No, I mean, it's not probably. It's a biblical issue, so we go in stringently. So many times when you go to these people in this what is it in a Shatnez lab, they would see, and they're nice people. I mean, I don't. Whatever I met, they're nice. They said, okay, don't pay me. There's nothing with that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I mean, for some. Pieces you pay, for suit you pay, for pants you pay, but for some other things you don't pay. They fine. Go ahead.
When it comes to shoes, though, because you said, let's say something has wool, right away we assume it might have linen. Does that also apply to shoes? Because the shoe, slippers, it is what it is.
What is the difference?
Okay.
So you cannot wear and you cannot wrap yourself. So that's many people make this mistake. So even your blanket, you have to check your blanket because you wrap yourself in the blanket.
So I have this question for you then. What does one do? Let's say he has like 10 suits, 5 suits, whatever it is. He has to carry them somehow. So one way of carrying it is putting it around your arm or putting it on your back or whatever. Having the hangers on your back.
What
you're taking it to the Shatnez lab.
Okay.
You have to carry them somehow. You hold it over your shoulder. You put it.
Whatever. Yes. Okay.
Exactly. So how does one do it? Because you're doing the Veer of Shatnez maybe by having it.
Oh no. Oh, okay. No. You're doing the mitzvah. You bring. No, it's not wearing. That's not how you wear over the like on the hangers. That's not how normal way of wearing.
Understood. Okay. Got it.